Welcome back. I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoo. So today the topic is I have a diabetes. Can I do the tattoo? This is the most frequent asked questions. Most of the people when they call to our studio or in our social media, everybody do ask these questions. And here is the solutions. So in this video, we are going to talk about this briefly. And this video will be very helpful for you guys. Do watch completely. Let's get into the topic now. So, before going to talk about diabetics patients can get a tattoo or not, we need to understand what is diabetics and what's the nature and how it works. If we do understand that, then we can get to know about what all the effects or side effects may happen for tattoos and what we need to go ahead if you want to get a tattoo done. So nowadays, tattoo is widely popular and most of the people are getting a tattoo, and there is the diabetics patients also get a tattoo done, and even I did a tattoo to the person who is 62, 63 years old who have a diabetics. So diabetics people can get a tattoo. First of all, there are two diabetics is that type 1 diabetics, type 2 diabetics. Type 1 diabetics is a juvenile diabetics. Juvenile diabetics is nothing but it may comes to the kids on the older people. So it may comes to the adults also. But in this category, type 1 diabetics, our immune system started to think our good cells as a bad one and started to fight with that. So what with the time of happening, it will be start to fight with the islet cells of pancreas. Pancreas is the reason for our insulin production. So when this immune system fight with that islets, and it will be stop producing the insulin. Insulin is the major part which will be lock out the sugars and will be turns into the energy. When this insulin is not segregating much, it will become very tough for that to get locked out and make it as an energy. So those sugars will start to get deposit in our body, and that will be start to define our body health. So that's how this type 1 process works. So mostly this type 1 process people, they need to take insulin artificially. Some people do it as an injection, some people getting it as a pump. So without this insulin they can't survive, they can't live, so they keep pumping themselves as the insulin. Now then comes to the type 2 people. Type 2 is the people who have the diabetics in the most of the population. So this type 2 people, mainly because of the environmental changes and the fat gaining and the lifestyle of eating the way of sugars or other bad stuffs. So that's how this type 2 diabetics plays a key role. So this is called as adult onset. So in this case, people may change their diabetics insulin segregation by changing their lifestyle. Yes, if you are properly getting into the proper medications and all the stuffs, they can survive. In this situation, mainly this body immune will start to do the resistance. Due to this resistance, body will start to react like insulin is not there, but your pancreas segregating the insulin, but it will be start to react that insulin is not there, and it will be allow the sugar to get into the body. That's how this type 2 diabetics comes. So this type 2 diabetics people, there is no issue at all for getting a tattoo. But only the main thing which we need to do is before getting this tattoo, they need to consult with their doctors, and they will be do the test called A1C levels. A1C levels is nothing but that is the common test which will be having the sugar content in our hemoglobins. So when we do this A1C level test, most of the doctors recommending if it's lower than the 7, then it's fine to go ahead. But this is not the hard and fast rule, and to keep it up perfectly. If you are a person maybe having a more than the 7 levels also, but if it's in the control, doctor will suggest you some medications before getting a tattoos, and you can go ahead. That is also one of the important things we need to get it done. And when we talk about this A1C, A1C is not the be all end all here management here in the diabetics. That we all needs to understand. So A1C is not the only thing which we need to depend when we go for the tattooing. So if its A1C level is, for example, if your A1C level is 8, but your doctor is asking you to, okay, you can get a tattoo done, then no issues at all, you can get a tattoo done. So you don't need to worry about this if you are a person type 2 diabetics. If you are a person type 1 diabetics having an insulin, then you need to consider your doctor consultation very seriously. If they are accepting and if they are okay to go ahead, then you can go ahead. Now, let's talk about why these diabetics patients are getting hesitate to get a tattoo. The main thing is healing problem. Due to this insulin converting as an energy system, because of this damage, there is a chance of healing period may get extended. So this is the reason they might think about getting a tattoo most of the time. So we need to understand before getting a tattoo done, if you are a person type 2 diabetics, you don't need to worry at all, you can get a tattoo done. And the one more thing which you needs to consider before getting into the tattoo at the time of, if you are a type 2 diabetics patients, you need to understand about your healing period. So some people will be have a less healing period and they would have not even informed about this to doctor. So you need to consult with the doctor, then you can come ahead, and that will give you the best output and the best healing time period as like the normal people. So diabetics people, no need to worry at all, just go ahead and get the tattoo. And you need to think about consult with your doctor before. And the one more thing is you need to consult about this thing to your tattoo artist also. If you are a type 2 diabetics patients and if you want to get a tattoo, the one more most important things which needs to remember is where you are going to get your tattoo done. Basically, if you are a person getting a tattoo done below the knee, then that part is a more pressureful and circulated part. So because of that part's nature, even a normal people will take more time to get healed. So that's why you need to understand if you have any neuropathy or circulation stimulations issues, then you need to consider that and you need to consult with your doctor and get to know which place is safe to go ahead. And you can consult with your artist also. They are also will be always willing to suggest you the best healing place to go ahead. If neuropathy is nothing but your body parts will start to have a lot of sensations on that particular place. Due to the sensation and the circulations, you may postpone your healing period. So you need to clearly understand before getting into this neuropathy, if you are having it, then you need to consider the spot as a major thing by about placements. Now, the considerations about the tattoo artist. Obviously, if you are a diabetics patient, you need to choose the best tattoo studio and the tattoo artist, and you should not get infected. That's the key major place. So if you are going to get a tattoo done, I highly recommend you to do the small homework research before getting into it and choose the best tattoo artist who is licensed and who is using the best tattoo products on the market. If they are doing it and making a hygiene protocol very serious, then you don't need to worry about the infection, because as you are a type 2 diabetics patients, if you are getting into this, if there is infection happen, then that will also postpone your healing period. So you need to keep understanding it before going there. If you are a person getting into the artist wise, you need to tell the artist that you have a diabetics. That is the important thing. So when you are in the chair, they'll be here the most peculiar, and then the way they'll be doing it, everything will be making changing. For example, in our studio, if the clients comes up with the diabetics patients, the way we do is very slow, and then the very slow speed as much as possible will be trying to reduce the damage. Yes, usually we'll be reducing the damage, but for especially diabetics patients, will reduce the damage and will reduce the penetration length and will reduce the machine speed and all those stuffs. So obviously by telling to the tattoo artist will works and helps a lot people to manage and go ahead. And then the most important thing is, if you are a person getting a tattoo done and if you didn't even tell the artist that you have a diabetics, they can't even get to know that you have a diabetics or not, obviously by seeing your face. So after that, if you get infected or something and coming back to the tattoo artist and blaming it, it will not be works and it will not be helpful for both the hands. Both of them, they can't do anything in that scenario. So before getting into the tattoo done, you just please inform the artist that you have the diabetics. So surely they'll be take care of the precautions as well as the healing procedure. So precautions you need to take care very serious. Yes, if you are a person have a type 2 diabetics and you are getting a tattoo, then precautions are hard and fast rule for you to follow it. Yes, what and all the artist is selling, what and all the creams they are prescribing you to do it, they just follow all those things completely. And in our previous video, we were explaining about how to clean the new tattoo. That will be helpful for you. You just need to watch that. And in that video, we were clearly explained about how to make the tattoo clean and the hygiene that place without any infection. just watch the video and follow all the precautions which we are mentioned, and hear your artist also. Whenever if you feel any discomfort in between your tattooing process, you can ask your client, or sorry, you can ask your tattoo artist what we need to do in that particular place, so they can help you out obviously. That the way you can make your tattoo get healed quickly without any infection. And I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. And if you have any more doubts regarding this diabetics people getting a tattoo, please do comment us. We are here to help you out, and we'll be explaining about all the details in our next video. Don't die new.